Welcome to Traveluptuous. Today we're taking you on the ultimate 15-day road trip across New Zealand's North Island, where stunning landscapes and unforgettable experiences await. Picture this: rolling green hills, breathtaking beaches, and geothermal wonders that will make your jaw drop. From the vibrant streets of Auckland to the serene shores of the Bay of Islands, every stop is a new adventure. So buckle up, grab your favorite snacks, and get ready to explore diverse locations that promise to immerse you in the heart of Kiwi culture. Day 1, Auckland, the city of sails. Kick off your adventure in Auckland, where vibrant culture meets stunning waterfront views. Start your day by heading to the iconic Sky Tower for panoramic vistas that will leave you breathless. After soaking in the sights, make your way to Viaduct Harbour, a bustling hub perfect for people watching. Don't forget to indulge in some classic Kiwi fish and chips by the beach. Trust us, it's a must. As you wander through the city, explore unique neighborhoods like Grey Lynn and Ponsonby, where you'll find a thriving art scene and quirky boutiques. Auckland is just the beginning of your unforgettable journey. Day 2, Waiheke Island, wine and beaches. Take a scenic ferry ride to Waiheke Island, a paradise known for its vineyards and stunning beaches. Start your day with a delightful wine tasting at local favorites like Mudbrick and Cable Bay, where you can sip on exquisite wines while soaking in breathtaking views. After indulging in some vino, head to Oneroa Beach for a well-deserved dose of relaxation. With its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, it's the perfect spot to unwind. Don't miss exploring local art galleries and vibrant markets, where you can experience the island's unique culture and perhaps snag a one-of-a-kind souvenir. Waiheke is a true gem. Day 3, Rotorua, geothermal wonders. Welcome to Rotorua, a hotspot for geothermal activity and rich Maori culture. Start your day at Tapuia, where you can marvel at geysers, bubbling mud pools, and stunning landscapes that feel otherworldly. Dive deeper into the local culture by experiencing a traditional hangi feast, where food is cooked underground. Trust us, it's as delicious as it sounds. For those seeking a thrill, Rotorua offers adventure activities like zorbing, where you can roll down a hill in a giant inflatable ball. Whether you're soaking in hot springs or embracing the local traditions, Rotorua promises a day full of unforgettable experiences. Day 4, Hobbiton, a movie set experience. Get ready for a magical experience at the iconic Hobbiton movie set. Nestled in the lush Waikato region, this enchanting location boasts picturesque landscapes and charming hobbit holes that will transport you straight into Middle-earth. To truly appreciate the magic, take a guided tour where you'll hear behind-the-scenes stories and fascinating insights about the filming process. As you stroll through the set, don't forget to snap a few photos by the famous Bag End. After your adventure, unwind at the Green Dragon Inn, where you can enjoy a refreshing drink in a cozy atmosphere. Hobbiton is a must-visit for every fan. Day 5, Waitomo Caves, glowworm magic. Today, prepare to be mesmerized by the enchanting Waitomo Caves, famous for their magical glowworm displays. Start your adventure with a serene boat ride through the glowworm-lit caves, where thousands of tiny lights create a breathtaking celestial experience above you. For the thrill seekers, don't miss the chance to try blackwater rafting, where you'll navigate through underground rivers and experience the caves in a whole new way. As you explore, take a moment to marvel at the stunning limestone formations that have been sculpted over thousands of years. Waitomo Caves offer a unique blend of adventure and natural beauty that you won't forget. Day 6, Taupo, Lake Adventures. Welcome to Taupo, where adventure and relaxation await by the stunning Lake Taupo. Dive into the fun with exhilarating water sports like jet skiing and kayaking, allowing you to explore the lake's crystal-clear waters at your own pace. Don't miss the breathtaking Huka Falls, a must-see attraction that showcases nature's power as water thunders over the cliffs. After a day of excitement, unwind at one of the local hot springs, where you can soak in warm, mineral-rich waters while enjoying the beautiful surroundings. Whether you're seeking thrills or tranquility, Taupo offers the perfect blend of experiences for every traveler. Day 7, Tongariro National Park, Hiking Heaven. Get ready to embark on a hiking adventure in Tongariro National Park, a true paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The famous Tongariro Alpine Crossing is a top trek that promises breathtaking views of volcanic landscapes and stunning emerald lakes that will leave you in awe. As you navigate this incredible trail, you'll encounter diverse terrains from rugged mountains to lush valleys. However, be sure to prepare for changing weather conditions, as they can shift quickly in this region. Dress in layers and bring plenty of water and snacks to keep your energy up. This unforgettable hike is a highlight of your New Zealand journey. Day 8, Napier, Art Deco Delight. Welcome to Napier, a charming city celebrated for its stunning Art Deco architecture. After a devastating earthquake in 1931, the city was rebuilt in this unique style, making it a historical gem worth exploring. Stroll through the streets and admire the beautifully preserved buildings that tell a fascinating story of resilience and creativity. While you're in the area, don't miss the chance to indulge in wine tasting in the nearby Hawke's Bay region, known for its exceptional vineyards. Be sure to check out local markets and eateries, where you can savor fresh produce and delicious regional dishes. Napier is a delightful stop on your journey. Day 9, Gisborne, Surf and Culture. Welcome to Gisborne, the first city to greet the sunrise and a true surf hotspot. With stunning beaches like Wainui and Makarori, you'll find perfect waves and a vibrant surf culture that's hard to resist. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a beginner, there's something for everyone here. Take some time to explore the rich local Maori heritage through cultural experiences that offer insights into the traditions and history of the area. After a day of adventure, treat yourself to delicious seafood at local eateries, where you can savor fresh catches that reflect the region's coastal charm. Gisborne is a blend of sun, surf, and culture. Day 10, Whakatane, Gateway to White Island. Discover Whakatane, the gateway to the stunning active volcano White Island. Embark on an exciting boat tour that takes you right to the volcano, where you can witness its dramatic landscapes and geothermal activity up close. This adventure is a must for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. While in Whakatane, take some time to relax at the local beaches, where you can soak in the sun and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Don't forget to delve into the rich Maori history and cultural significance of the area, which adds depth to your visit. Whakatane is a perfect blend of adventure and heritage. Day 11, Tauranga, Coastal Charm. Enjoy the coastal beauty of Tauranga and the iconic Mount Maunganui. With stunning beaches like Pilot Bay and Main Beach, you'll find the perfect spots to relax and soak up the sun. The vibrant waterfront is bustling with activity, making it an ideal place to stroll and take in the scenery. For a bit of adventure, hike up Mount Maunganui for panoramic views that will leave you speechless. Trust us, the effort is worth it. After your hike, explore the local cafes and shops where you can savor delicious food and unique souvenirs. Tauranga is a delightful blend of relaxation and adventure. Day 12, Coromandel Peninsula, Nature's Playground. Explore the stunning Coromandel Peninsula, a true nature's playground filled with breathtaking sights. Start your adventure at the famous Hot Water Beach, where you can dig your own hot pool in the sand and relax in the warm waters. Next, head to Cathedral Cove, a picturesque spot known for its stunning rock formations and crystal-clear waters, perfect for a swim or a picnic. For those who love hiking, the lush forests offer a variety of trails that showcase the region's natural beauty. Don't forget to check out local arts and crafts, where you can find unique handmade treasures that reflect the spirit of the Coromandel. Day 13, Auckland, Return and Relax. Return to Auckland for your final day of relaxation and exploration. Take this opportunity to revisit your favorite spots from the beginning of your journey or discover new gems you may have missed. Explore local markets like La Cigale, where you can find fresh produce, artisanal goods, and delicious treats. If shopping is on your agenda, head to Queen Street for a variety of boutiques and stores. As the sun sets, immerse yourself in Auckland's vibrant nightlife with plenty of bars and restaurants offering diverse dining options. Whether you choose to unwind or celebrate, your last day in Auckland is sure to be memorable. What an incredible journey it has been on this ultimate 15-day road trip across New Zealand's North Island. From the stunning beaches of Tauranga to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, we've explored diverse landscapes and unique experiences that showcase the beauty of this remarkable country. Each destination offers its own charm, inviting you to immerse yourself in nature and culture. Remember, exploring New Zealand's natural beauty is an adventure like no other. If you're already planning your trip, there are helpful links in the description that can assist you and also support our channel. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your own travel experiences in the comments below. We here at Traveluptuous can't wait to hear about your adventures. Safe travels.